Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a comforting bowl of Momo soup at home. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients for a rich and aromatic broth. Then, I'll guide you through the simple process of cooking the momos directly in the soup. Finally, we will add some fresh vegetables and finish with delightful garnishes, ensuring a perfect meal for any occasion. To begin, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pot and sauté 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic until fragrant. Next, pour in 4 cups of your preferred stock, either vegetable or chicken, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Allow the broth to cook for at least 20 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, season with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and a pinch of sugar for balance. Now it's time to add the stars of our dish. Carefully place 8 to 10 pre-cooked momos, either steamed or pan-fried, into the gently simmering broth. You can also add your favorite vegetables, like a cup of chopped bok choy or thinly sliced carrots, at this stage. Let everything cook together for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender crisp and the momos are thoroughly heated through, absorbing the delicious broth. Once your momo soup is perfectly cooked, carefully ladle generous portions into individual serving bowls. For a vibrant finish, garnish each bowl with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, a handful of finely chopped green onions, or a drizzle of spicy chili oil for an extra kick. Serve your delicious, homemade momo soup immediately while it's warm and comforting. It's a delightful meal that's perfect for any time of year.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.